Don't tell you now, this is me now in a joke thing, When the last quarter of the work here, And them money I put pep in a them step. We are in New Monkland, St. Thomas section of Cedar Valley Road. As you can see, viewers and subscribers, what they are doing now. More marlins, mall a piece of road. I get that piece of road ready. So as soon as them finish with the stone wall that me pose the other day show, then they know say boy that road I so join them or join it and upon that time make one done and just done it, one go them a go in the viewers. Yeah man, one go them a go man, and no joke thing. When I talk about pep in a step, them money I put pep in a step. So in order to see it in the viewers, all I have to do is just continue watch the video, and you will see everything. Okay, viewers and subscribers. So we say what? Do like, comment and share, and if you are new I would love you to subscribe to my channel. When you do subscribe, just turn on the notification bell, put it on all so that when you drop a video you're the first one to be notified. Ads are placed on the video, watch them out for me manners and thanks are doing so. More mall in New Monkland, St. Thomas. Continue watch the video, hope you all enjoy. Bless up. Getting the machine them ready on the road. Yeah. Mr. Wheeler.
Hello.
What's up, my brother?
Whole lot of things, I'm trying to get started, but my battery failed me here.
Okay, brother. So you look like you're gonna get a jump, brother.
Yeah, I'm gonna get some help from the car.
Okay, brother. Machine, Hey, I'm gonna get some marlin done on the New Monkland Road here. We get it up and going. Viewers and subscribers, you know it go. Development of St. Thomas continue right across. As I say, with the New Monkland. So big up to all my viewers and all my subscribers, all my new sub. Big up on yourself, every time that I come to do a video, I see this bridge, I remember me tell him have it take care him good. You know me I say, cause this man is strong differently. I call him dummy. Just take him in, viewers and subscribers. This man's strength, now stop yourself. Yes, my viewers, my subscribers, my family subs. We bring it to know if you can see what's going on in the development of Center, my section of Cedar Valley Road, which is New Monkland. Ready at any time now. When you can get an update, say it's a sand and it's a aisle. You don't say viewers, because the piece of wall, a stone wall, very important right now. Because it's all up the road, you know, where the asphalt no reach forward and that way it reach, you know. So them have to finish here so few of them can continue. You don't say viewers. So right now, yes, will come a very important point right now. So we are going to see what's going on. Okay, viewers? So now we're to come to the end of another video, and I hope you all enjoy it. You know what they do, you know, so what just do they do. Like, comment and share, and if you are new, I love you to subscribe to my channels. So if you watch out to add something, thank you very much for doing so. If you leave a comment, yes, that's where you should get active down in the comment section. So say now that to come to the end of another video, you know. See you people in the next video, you know. Safe travel upon the gravel, you know. I'm out.